what has changed lately, or what it was like before and what it's like now?
Yeah, well, the fire hose has turned on and we're drinking from it, so that's good. Our people are all like, oh my God, because at the same time that all of this has been working beautifully, our phones are ringing and the bays are full. We became a AAA approved shop.
Awesome.
So that's going to bring in more volume too at the same time. Okay, so you got Jesse Griffith. Now there's Kenny Weedo. I think you talked to Kenny. He said he's definitely going with you. And then I think there's three more people that are going to be contacting you if they haven't already. Because I've told all of them, I'm like, listen, you can do a discovery call with no obligation. But
Hmm.
I'm like, that's been my entire I don't know how else to call it, but a pitch for like what we've experienced is like, can your business sustain the lack of appointments and how long can you wait? Because we reached the point where we were like, we can't sustain this anymore. We got to do something. Um, so you're going to be getting more phone calls. That's the moral of that story.
So what can we do better to support you?
Right now, whatever we're doing is working really good. So we want to like continue what we're doing. If anything started to drop, I'd let you know. But I think what we're doing on Facebook, I love what you're doing. And then a little bit of whatever I have that I pepper in is good. With Michael's segment every week on the news, people, they know him and
Yeah,
he's getting a lot of attention from that. Um, but we've been so busy with what we're already doing.
that's
I'm like,
fantastic.
oh, like it's really tough to figure out when we could go and do this, but we're going to make it happen. We've got those three things, the AAA, then the lemonade stand, and we're going to figure out this hot dog lunch. But whatever you guys are doing is working, and I'll just keep all the referrals flooding into you.
This avalanche, you're doing awesome. I can't thank you enough for what you're doing, with
Oh,
all the business you're sending me.
oh, well, you're welcome. I'm like, I don't know. I just keep all the appointments coming in. That's and a couple of shirts or something. That'd be great.
Yeah, we'll get on that.